Guys, may cover song na naman si Larkin Castor. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapakinggan to. Kaya play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin. In 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. So ito na. Grabe namang pace card yun. Super fresh. Pointed nose, sana all. Ganyan ang ilong. Sa akin, disappointed. Okay.
You know that it's true. I'm feeling you good every time that I'm alone with you. We were sitting in a parked car, stealing kisses in the front yard.
Ang ganda ng voice tone ni Larkin, no? Talented.
How would you feel if I told you I loved you? It's just something that I want to do. I'll be taking my time, spending my life, falling deeper in love with you. So tell me that you love me too.
Wow. Sana magkaroon ng mga original song si Larkin kasi ang ganda ng voice quality niya. Sarap pakinggan, ang linis-linis siyang kumanta. And kung magbato siya ng lyrics, no, sobrang linaw. Yung sobrang klaro niya, di ba, yung diction.